everyone, you're welcome to Kharis tutorials on All Africa TV. I remain Simeon Grace. I'll be taking us on a wonderful dress tutorial and I'll be using two different fabrics. I'll be using the Ankara and a plain shiny black material. You can use a veil net or a sample net to complement your design. So the Ankara fabric is 2 yards and the plain material is just a yard. That's 3 yards of fabric. The base of my dress is going to be a full flay, and also the sleeves is going to be a flay. And the measurements are going to be needing are the underbust, the half length, and the full length of our dress. We'll also be needing the round shoulder for the sleeve measurement. So let's move on. Alright, first I'm going to draft out my front panel. I'm going to do that on this brown paper. You can just use a piece of lining or another fabric so that you just don't waste your material. So here I have the half length measurement of 15 inches plus 1. I have 16 inches. From the shoulder, I also have the under bust measurement of 12, and from the shoulder I have my 8.5 inches to get the bust. The folding, I'm using the bust measurement since I'm cutting out the half length, so we have the bust measurement to be the highest measurement, and the bust divided by 4 plus 2 is still the same as the bust measurement plus 8 divided by 4. So you're going to get the same thing, and I have 10.5. So the paper I'm using now, I folded my 10.5 inches. Alright, so after folding, I move to the shoulder measurement. Shoulder 14 inches divided by 2 is 7 inches. But here I have minus 0.5 because it's a sleeveless gown, so minus 0.5, I have 6.5 inches. Now on my 8.5, I have the bust measurement, bust plus 8 divided by 4, I have my 10.5 inches. And also the under bust circumference measurement, that is 28 plus 8 divided by 4, I have 9 inches. So I'm going to connect this measurement, the measurement. So I have my armhole. Then we have from the bust to the under bust circumference measurement. Okay, now like I said, it's a sleeveless gown, so I'm going to measure from the armhole. This is my 8.5. I'm going to measure 1 inch. So in case you want to attach sleeve to yours, just cut it out this way. But mine is a sleeveless gown, so I'm going to bring it now from this 1 inch. So which means I have 7.5 inches. Okay, that's the first thing. Then let's just cut it out first. Alright, now I'm going to draft out the neck design. You can always have a design of your choice. So I will be using 3 inches for the width, that's the wideness of the neck design, and the depth of 3 inches as well. So you can always have your design. I'm bringing out a round shape. You can use your curve set to get this. And on the shoulder I have my 1 inch to slant. The next thing I'm going to do here, from the shoulder, I'm going to measure. Now the depth here is to your desired measurement, but personally I'm going to use 8.5 inches. So I'll be creating a sweetheart neck, and this is going to be the part for the neck. So I have the depth of 8.5, and I'll be cutting out a sweetheart neck. For a sweetheart neck, you can have 8.5, and then you can decide to have 7 inches on the other side. This is my 7 inches. You can bring it up to 6.5. You can make it 8 inches or any measurement of your choice. So drafting out the sweetheart neck, this is, yeah, this is what I'm going to have. You can still bring it down as low as you want. Like, you can have your 9.5 inches, and then you have your 8 inches, so that you can bring it down from. So you can always have the shape of your choice. Okay, let me use this. I have my 9.5 inches and 8 inches. Okay, now I'll just place this on either a veil net or any other net or a plain material. You can just place it on any of the material cut out. Okay, so this is one aside. Then we'll also work on this. Alright, so from the side, I'm going to measure 2.5 inches. I have 2.5 inches, and I'm going to create a curve shape, bringing it from the middle. You know, here you can have a design of your choice. It's not a must you have this round shape like mine. So on this part I have 2 inches. Okay, let's make it 1.5. I have 1.5 inches. So this is where I'm coming, and I'm going to create my shape. Okay, so I'm going to cut this out. Alright, so it looks like this. Now I'm going to now place my main fabric. Let's just place the main fabric one after the other. So while placing your fabric, you have to add your seam allowance. So to this now, I need my seam allowance. So just measure 1/2 inch. Alright, so I'm going to trace this out. I'll return it. It's just 1/2 inch, and that's meant for the sewing. So that's the seam allowance. So now I'm going to cut out what I have here. I'm done with this. Alright, so this is the next. So just place each to cut out your main fabric. So I won't mix it up. I need to get this. This is the neck. So I will mix it up like this. Oh, it's like this. Okay, so this is the down part and this is the neck. Alright, so the last one is the main fabric. Alright, so this is the last one. Also leave your seam allowance. Alright, so this is the half length. Now we're going to cut the back. Alright, to cut the back, I have my fabric folded, but this time around I have my zipper allowance. So 10.5 plus 2 inches, that's 12.5. So I'm just going to hide the 2 inches first to bring out my measurement. We have the 8.5 and I have my 7.5 inches, the underbust of 12, the length is 15 and I have 16 inches. On the shoulder, that's shoulder divided by 2 minus 0.5, I have 6.5 inches, and the bust measurement 10.5, that's bust plus 8 divided by 4, the underbust circumference as well plus 8 divided by 4. So now I can bring out the shape and then we'll cut. This is the back. So the neck design as well can be to your choice. So I'll be measuring just 1 inch and the width is 3 inches. Now I'm going to slant the shoulder by 1 inch. So this is the back. So let's move to the base. So we have the full length of 32 inches, which means we need 17 inches because we have the half length of 15 inches already. Now I have my seam allowance, my folding allowance. I added 2 inches to this, so that is 19 inches. I'm attaching it to the waist, the underbust circumference measurement of 28 inches. So 28 divided by 8 is my measurement. That's 3.5 inches. And then I have the length of 19 inches. Length of 19 inches. So we can cut. If you are enjoying this tutorial, kindly subscribe to this channel or Africa TV. Just click the subscribe button on the screen. Alright, we have the full flare for the base of our dress. Let's move to the sleeve. Alright, the sleeve as well is a flare cut and I'm folding a full flare. I need the round shoulder measurements. So it's coming from the back to one part of the side of the front, then the other side as well to one part of the front. So the round shoulder is 40 inches. That means one side 20, the other side is 20 inches as well. So the first part is what I'm cutting. Folding a full flare, I need 20 inches. So 20 divided by 8, I have my 2.5 inches. And the length of the sleeve is 5 inches. I have here 6 inches with my folding allowance. So I need 2 of this. I need 2 of this. Now on this part, I'm just going to sharpen it, creating a round shape. You can use your cup set to create this. You can just create any shape like that. So yeah, you can bring it in even more than that. Like this, so you can still cut it in more than that. So I'm going to cut 2 of this. I'll just place this to get the other. That's the second. So you can decide to make it 2 steps, and there's the sleeve, and that's it. Thanks for watching Kharis tutorials. I'm sure you enjoyed the class. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Also click on the bell to get notifications for our upcoming videos. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, on Instagram at Africa TV. And you can follow me on Facebook and on Instagram at Kharis Kreations. Till I see you next class, I remain Simeon Grace. Stay cool.